Okay, so I'm going to walk through the setup in 3ds Max to get started with our robot model. First thing you want to do is under the File menu, after you get 3ds Max started, you're going to go to Project, and you want to select Create Default. This will create a default project and folder structure, and you just tell it where to create it. I'm going to have you guys have a folder on your desktop called 3D Models, and then we'll put a robot folder inside of that. So that's what I've selected. All right, and then I'm going to navigate to that folder, and if you guys see, here's 3D Models in my computer. Go to Robot. These are the default folders that every 3ds Max project has. So some of these folders we're going to be using, some of them we're not. Scenes and scene assets we are going to probably use and export, but some of these we may not use. So inside of scene assets, you'll see a folder for images, and this is where we're going to save the image for the robot. I will post this on Google Classroom so you guys can have it. But basically, let me go to my downloads folder and open it in a new window here. All right. Give me a second. I've got tons of downloads here. Let me pause until I find it. Okay, so I found it. It's this image of 3 different versions or views of the robot. So I'm going to take that. I have both of my windows open, my downloads window and my images folder inside of my project that I took you guys to. I'm just going to take this and move it or copy it to this images folder and then close my downloads. So now inside of your robot folder you have scene assets, images, and you have one image that's located inside of here. All right, and this is the one that we're going to be using to set up the image plane to design this robot model. All right, so I'm going to give you guys a minute to get that done, and then we'll do the next step.